Hello guys, today I want to show you what I got today in the mail. It's a Chesty from GoPro, so I can use it for my GoPro on my chest to record some video how fast and how good Jetson Bolt Pro goes, and maybe some other action like hiking and any action I will do. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but we'll try. Okay, so I will do a quick unboxing to show you how it looks inside and what it comes with. So it comes with nice. Oh, okay. So it does come with this piece attachment, which you probably have already one. It comes usually with GoPro. And it's well packed. Okay, it comes like this. Okay. And I'll try to put it on to see how easy. Nice. Okay, what do you think, guys? And don't forget to subscribe, okay? So let's see in the mirror how it looks with GoPro on it. Okay. Alright guys, so here's in the mirror how it looks like. What do you think? Isn't it cool? Alright, so I need to go to the store to grab some stuff, and guess what, I got a flat tire in one of my bolt, so I'm gonna make another video how to fix the tire, and I'm gonna drive right now with this piece to show how the Jetson Bolt Pro goes. Please hit the subscribe button so you can see the next updated video. Hit the like if you like it. If you don't like, don't hit anything. So have a nice day. See you later.